4.
Over the past 10 years, the fair has become a premier hub, a premier platform for our micro, small, and medium enterprises. We have 200 exhibitors from all 16 regions of the Philippines, each representing their unique products from fresh produce, regional specialties, artisanal snacks, and beverages. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to USEC Chris Roque for inspiring us to really level up our trade event. Thank you to all our partners, exhibitors, and guests for making this event possible. Your support is what makes the National Food Fair a success year after year.
By empowering our MSMEs, we drive job creation, foster economic growth, and give MSMEs a better life. Today, I challenge all of you to embrace the Bagong Pilipinas spirit of innovation and excellence. To our MSME, you have my unwavering dedication, love, and support. Having been an MSME too, I understand the challenges that you face. When opportunities like this arise, seize them with confidence. You never know, you could be the next big success story. So never stop dreaming and take bold steps to turn these dreams into reality. I encourage you to explore the diverse culinary offerings of our country and the support of our local MSMEs. To our partners in the government and the private sector, let us continue to work hand in hand to pave the way for the success of the MSMEs. Let us celebrate the incredible talent and passion that makes Filipino cuisine truly unique.